Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with another trading video. So today, what you're looking at here is a trading engine that I've coded, programmed, and developed. I call it the 30-minute Opening Range Breakout Pro. And people that trade understand the popularity of the opening range breakout strategy. So I've coded this trading engine to automate the strategy here. So what you're looking at here is the user interface dashboard here that I've put together. And so it fetches up to 26 major and minor currency pairs here. If you look to the left, these are all the currency pairs that it analyzes, all the major and minor pairs. In addition to that, I have it programmed for Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, the two cryptos. Okay, so the 30-minute breakout strategy engine works on the New York opening range here. So we're looking for the opening range between the 9:30 open and the 10 o'clock open. So the engine determines the range, the 30-minute range. And here I have a live command center here. Currently, it's telling us, it gave us a Ethereum signal here, which occurred at 12:05 p.m. It's about 12:06, but it's pending here, meaning that it's waiting for a retest of the signal, right? So how the strategy works, basically, if we look here to the left, I have a narrative of how the strategy, how I program the logic, the trading logic into the engine here. We first determine the opening range, the 30-minute opening range on the New York Open, which begins at 9:30 a.m. till 10 o'clock. I also have a validation filter here, which tracks institutional capital entering the market, a 1.5 time volume filter here, right? So for each pair, the engine maintains active subscriptions for the 5-minute for breakouts and retests and the 30-minute time frame to calculate opening ranges, right? And it also has a 1 hour and 4 hour time frame built in for trend validation. The updates are made in real time, and the engine is constantly in scanning mode, waiting and working through the New York session opening anchor to identify high probability breakout signals here. So right now, the we're past the opening of the breakout range here. So it's 12:07 p.m. currently. So it's scanning the markets. It's scanning all these currency pairs, the 26 major and minor pairs, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum to find high probability setups for us. And when the engine finds them, it sets up a signal here. I have the signal set up as regular alerts on the screen as well as pop-up alerts, uh, pop-up sound alerts, and audio alerts here. So for instance, here it found a potential setup on Ethereum here, and it gives us the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit target. So this engine automates the whole process. So now it'll scour all the currency pairs for you, as well as do the analysis on the trading pair and come up with trading recommendations. So it'll save users a lot of time in doing the analysis the traditional way, which means analyzing each currency pair individually and then applying the strategy that I just discussed. So now everything is automated and it does it for you in an instant, and it's constantly updating. I also have a latency feature here, which, okay, hold on. The latency feature is at the top here. The WebSocket, it uses the public WebSocket API, and it tells us, you know, how the latency is here. It measures the latency. Right now, it's at 3473, which means 3400 milliseconds. So the data that it's retrieving from the Deriv API is negligibly late. You know, it's pretty good. 34 milliseconds is pretty negligible. And that's important that we keep monitoring the latency of the WebSocket, where we're getting the historical data as well as the tick data for the data feed. All right. So here it's currently scanning for breakouts. Today is Friday. There's probably not much going on. Uh, it tells us the system is online. If there's a problem with the WebSocket feed, it'll tell us it's offline and that there's a halt in the analysis. All right. So there we go. We have the New York range here. The execution protocol looks for the 9:30 to 10 o'clock high low. Then the breakout is it waits for the 5 minute to close beyond the breakout level, and then there's a retest of that level to confirm the validity. And those trend guards are there. The 1 hour and 4 hour alignment guards are also implemented into the engine, and the engine gives us a risk reward of 1 to 2. It looks for 1 to 2 risk rewards in the analysis here. All right, so that's basically how the engine works. I will look for any suggestions on how, if you have any additional suggestions. Like I said, this works on the 30-minute opening range breakout. There are different sorts of breakout strategies. There's 5 minutes, there's 15 minutes. I think the 30-minute is the most accurate. I wanted to build something that it was as accurate as possible. So it looks for the 30-minute uh, range, and then it goes down to the 5 minute time frame to find the breakout and the retest. So, okay, so I think that's about it. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.